Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to crack the CAT exam starting from July. The first question which is coming to mind for everybody is, can I crack it? Is the time okay? Do I have less time that time? And the best part is, who is asking this question? The guy or a girl who have studied only 2 to 3 days for the exam. अबे तू 3 दिन पढ़ के एग्जाम निकालने वाला है, सारी उम्र निकाला है, and you are thinking this 5 months is less. So coming to the point, it's very simple. Yes, we have enough time. Whoever says time is less, this and that is the coaching institute wala. Because as a coaching institute wala, I want to sell you my 1 year program. No, join us for the next year program. Give me 40,000, 70,000. I will crack CAT in the next 1 year. And once you join, they'll say, no problem, guys. Please relax this year. Enjoy this year. Next year we will do the hard work. Next year when? From July onwards. So if anyway they're going to do the hard work now only, why don't we do now? Plus, second thing is, we are Indian student. Indian student, we become serious only towards the end. The kind of seriousness trust will be showing now is less as compared to what you will be showing in October. Will be less as compared to what you are going to show the seriousness in the month of November. Okay. Coming to the point is very simple. We have enough time for the CAT exam. Yeah. I have made videos of people who have started in August 15 to be precise, and converted Bajaj. I'm Ahmedabad, I'm Calcutta. Yeah. So if they can do it, obviously you can do it. That's a simple agenda, simple logic what I'm trying to say. Now coming to the main point, how to plan your study. This is going to be the main agenda today. I don't want to look at the non-CAT exam. Okay. From today, I'm dividing the team into two type of team. One who want to focus only on CAT, one who focus on other exams. Yeah. So CAT wala obviously will be giving other exams as well. But the main focus I want you to do is CAT exam. SNAP, one exam, 2 main colleges, total number of seats 440. So December we'll have SNAP as well. SNAP number of seats are 440. SIBM and SMHRD, 2 main colleges. ZAT have got 2 main colleges. SPJN bhi jod do. ZAT is the main exam. CAT and ZAT are the 2 main exam. Apart from that, TIS only 30 seats. CET 120 seats. CAT is a main exam. We have got almost 4,000 seats in IIMS. 4,000 seats. That is my number 2. First task is to get the IIM call. You know how many people are going to get the IIM call? Yeah. This year I'm expecting around 20,000 people who are getting the IIM call. Your task is to be in the top 20,000 people. Let's not look at IIM Ahmedabad, IIM Bangalore. First be in the top 20,000 people who are going to get the IIM call. Fine. For that target setting, for that, your target on CAT day should be 150 marks, which is 99 percentile. Now 99 percentile is a scary word. So I don't want to look at 99 percentile. I want to look at 150 marks. 150 marks out of 300 is your IIM ka call. Aur tumhe kya chahiye yaar? You're getting a few main IIM call as well. Yeah. That is a November target on the exam date. October end, my target is 120. Which is 40% marks, which is 95 percentile. And this is where the magic happens. All of you will get the IIM call at 90 percentile, 95 percentile. Engineer, non-engineer, BMS, BCom, graduate, reserved category opening, everybody, if you touch 95 percentile, I guarantee IIM call. Provided, obviously, you clear the sectional cutoff. 10, 12 come at chalega, no problem. You will get the IIM call at 95 percentile. That is the first target, October. Then if you move the further value up the value chain, 90 percentile, which is at 100 marks, 33% marks out of 300. Then we'll target 80, 50. These are the 5 major milestones. Wherever you are, your target is to do 50, then 80, then 100, 120, 150. If you are stuck with this course, no problem. Let's target gradual increase. Let's target 10 marks increase every month. In the next 5 months, 50 marks, aram se we can grow. After that, we look at the non-CAT exam. I don't want to talk about the non-CAT exam today because major chunk is CAT. Yeah, so that's what is the main agenda today. Fine. First thing first, if you have a friend who have been given CAT exam last year for the first time, he was struggling to complete the syllabus. Why? Because syllabus ही खत्म नहीं होता यार. लगा रहेगा तो your syllabus खत्म नहीं हो पाएगा. So इसके लिए I want to put a number to that. Those who have already started, great. I normally say 3 months it will take to complete the syllabus. For example, there are 34 main chapters in the CAT paper. Yeah, I've given the list on cetking.com/CAT 2020, all the 30 topic elite, cetking.com/CAT 2020. Download this 34 topical list. The 34 topic, even if I spend 2 days per topic, I can do everything 60 days. Yes, why can't we do that? Yes, we can complete everything 60 days. My target, if you're starting tomorrow from July 1, suppose we are starting, I wanted to complete the syllabus by September end. Yeah, so that we can kill every topic by September end, so that October, November, I can give as many mocks as much as I can. Yeah, more mocks, more tests. I want to focus online more. So complete everything first and then move to the online thing. Those who have been joined us earlier, for example, we have students joining us in June as well, in May as well. So उनका syllabus जल्दी खत्म हो जाएगा. We move to the advanced level. So starting from today, we have the basics. Want you to complete the basics. Yeah. Now we have some students who want to go for the advanced level directly. Why? Because they're already repeating. Yeah, lot of people do that. So we're launching the repeaters batch from this week only, which is the advanced lecture. Every week will take one topic advanced level. Yeah, function graph, inequalities, coordinate geometry, all the advanced level question, all the high level topic we are starting from now. Once in a week torture तो obviously we can do, right? Once in a week torture तो इतना तो चलता है, इतना तो MB के नाम पे बनता भी है. वैसे भी बारिश आ गया है. In rains time you can feel chill out, you can enjoy your life. Yeah, so basic and advanced will go parallel. Once in a week advanced. Yeah, those who are repeaters, you can do twice in a week. For example, at CET King, we have 7 PM lecture as a basic lecture, very basic to make you enjoy, make you understand everything. Then at 1 PM, we are doing that thoda advanced level course, not very advanced level, not CAT level, but starting of that. Yeah, so this is what we are going to do. Fine. Along with that, from now only, we'll keep giving the mocks. I wanted to give guys one mock every 15 days to start with. Then from August, we'll move to every week mock. Yeah, starting का mock का नाम is baby mock. Cat baby mock. उसका नाम ही baby mock है, प्यारा सा बच्चू mock. Yeah, just to make you sit, just to make you comfortable to start with. Fine. So guys, we have time. Time की कमी नहीं है. And then let's focus on CAT. Full dedication. Then October, November, I don't want to solve any books in October, November. I want to go to as much as online as much as possible. Yeah, trust me yaar, I'm still waiting for August to come. July तक I have to request, भाई पढ़ ले, मेरी माँ पढ़ ले, मेरे बाप पढ़ ले, नहीं, like parent है, just typical parents. अगस्त में उल्टा, अगस्त में पब्लिक आती है पीछे, सर फट रही है, पढ़ाओ, वो आई एम वेट कर रहा हूँ, वो फटने की वेट कर रहा हूँ मैं, फटेगा बेटा, सब फटेगा, सबका फटेगा, ठीक है. So every day 12 o'clock I go live. So tomorrow 12 o'clock we'll talk about the strategy. So any doubt you have regarding this, you can post in the comments. I'll pick it up in the next video in tomorrow's 12 o'clock session. So every day 12 o'clock I'm with you live. We'll talk about various strategies, motivation, all those things. I bring along a few toppers as well to talk to you. So that will be the task at 12 baje subah. That's how I start my day. And 10 PM will end with something regarding MBA, not regarding CAT study, in general MBA, how to plan your studies, how to take loan, all these things we'll talk about at 10 PM show. So these are the two timelines I have. ठीक है, तो books हो गया, mocks हो गया. Along with this, we have to identify the weak area. Do not judge the book from the cover. Don't think मेरे को log नहीं आता तो मैं log मेरा weak है. Coordinate geometry is my weak area. This is weak area. That unless you try, how can you label a topic as a weak area? Yeah. So I want you to try. I want to try as much as you can. If you are not able to do that, then we'll label the topic as a weak area. Okay. My thumb rule is 30 questions short. So any topic you want to leave, think about topic which you plan to leave. PNC, time space distance, a lot of topic which people think normally they're going to leave. Can you do 30 questions? And the best part is out of 30 questions, 20 are already solved examples. 20 solved examples, cover all solved examples and do 10 more questions, 20 more questions. Yeah. My thumb rule says 30 questions minimum, otherwise 50 is my benchmark. Do 50 questions per chapter, you are solid. Okay, now suppose you are a CET student and you are very bad in maths. In class, we normally do 10-12 questions, the basic lecture. We'll do 10-12 questions in the advanced lecture. Yeah, in the 1 PM class. So 20 questions यहाँ पे हो गया. 10, 15, 20 questions we have in the solved example. 40, 10 more questions. 50 questions if you can touch. Don't do anything apart from that. Don't touch anything apart from that. On the basis of this much also you can crack the topic. Easy question at least we can try, right? So why to leave a topic? We have time for that. या तो अक्टूबर में आके नवंबर में आके टेल यू भाई ये 5 टॉपिक कर लो, जी स्ट्रेटजी, डू दिस 10 टॉपिक्स ओनली, लीव रिमेनिंग 10 टॉपिक. Fine. Right now we have time. Let's try to crack everything. Let's try to do everything. Fine. I worked hard for the CAT exam. I'm not thinking about anything else. November. What if I'm not able to crack the CAT exam? एक बार सोचो, रात को नींद नहीं आएगी बेटा, एक बार सोच कि मेरे को अगर क्रैक कैट नहीं हुआ तो मेरा क्या होगा. कोई फर्क नहीं, चंद्रमुखी हो या पारो की फर्क पैदा है यारो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. द मोमेंट कैट इज नॉट हैपनिंग विल इमीडिएटली मूव द फोकस ऑन नॉन कैट एग्जाम, स्नैप एंड मैट. सो द मोमेंट कैट इज ओवर वी स्टार्ट द phase 2 for SNAP, for ZAT, for IFT, all the exams. So that's why we have phase 2. Fine. We are going to give 4-5 exams. So those who are giving the CAT exam, I recommend CAT, ZAT, SNAP, CET. These are the 4 exams. CET is going to be in March, which you can easily target. Apart from that, you can give IFT, you can give TASE, you can give, it's your wish. But these are the 4 exams because there are at least 10 colleges through every exam. Yeah. So Master वाला student can avoid CET, you can avoid CET, you can give CMAT का exam, it's totally your wish. But these 3 are the main exam. Master student should give CET exam, non-master can avoid CET exam, then you can give CMAT का exam. Yeah. All the bubbles here, all these 5 bubbles have contained almost 10 colleges in them. एक तो निकलेगा यार. Indian student, if we are trying for 5 exams, we will crack 1 exam. Fine. Start. Plus, please start. So this weekend we are launching the baby mocks, and this Monday we are launching the new batch at CET King in case you want to join our program, in which all the books, mock strategy I want to take care of, and on the weekly basis. I've divided the full preparation to weekly levels. मुझे CAT दिख नहीं रहा, मुझे week दिख रहा है बस. Let's complete everything on the weekly basis and we are sorted. तुम कुछ मत करो, तुम अपना पार्टी करो, you watch movies, whatever you want to do, you just complete the weekly targets. That's all I want. In those targets, we're covering up all the exams. We're covering up CAT, ZAT, SNAP, all the exams are covered. I'll tell you when to give them mock. So consider me to be your boss. Yeah. So that who is giving you targets and all. तुम बस target करते जाओ. Everything will be sorted. Yeah. So the numbers are given in the description box. In case you want to join us, you can call us. Alright. All the best.